Welcome back. Now, one of the least used applications inside of Microsoft Office is Microsoft OneNote. However, it is part of the review menu and it's on its own tab. And you'll notice that you can click this button that's called Linked Notes. And basically, you can pick any folder inside of OneNote where you can place your note. However, most importantly, any of the notes that you're going to be keeping in this document will always be linked to this particular article. So, for example, we've written in notes into this area of OneNote. Now, one of the things that you'll note is that if we were to hover over this area and were to click this area, you'll notice that we then have our OneNote menu. However, what we're going to do is we're just going to click inside of here just so that we'll have the notes available. So if we were to close this note, OneNote would then go away and we would then be able to continue to work on our document. However, if we were to go to this linked notes area and open it again, what you'll find is that this document specifically will always be available to us for this particular article. And so for everything that we are writing in terms of a document for Microsoft Word, we can keep notes on that document within OneNote. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.